Ladies and gentlemen, panel of judges, my name is Conwell.
And I'm Ian Modino.
Last year, we presented an innovation at the Young Scientists of Kenya, which was considered a viable alternative to single-use plastics. This year, we're thinking big.
We're thinking business. We're thinking of turning this into a working business to present it at the Cradle campus.
Let us all join in the fact that the world is looking for a viable alternative to single-use plastics, and our solution is Vasup. What exactly is Vasup?
Vasup is our viable alternative to single-use plastics. Our idea of combating the growing problem of pollution.
Vasup is the product. Vasup is a piece of paper which can be considered as the fastest biodegradable paper out there. Assuming 1 liters, it dissociates into the soil due to the humidifying factor in the environment. It is safe and environmentally friendly. The economic bit of this project is that we can use this to replace the common polyethylene bags, which make most of paper bags, which package your bread, your wrappers for sweets, and other common commodities. Instead of using those, we can replace them completely with our product, which is not only cheaper, but also biodegradable and safe to the environment.
The common use plastics and our product.
As you can clearly see, nothing's really happening in this because plastic takes around 500 years to decompose in water and soil. But here, when it comes to our product, once it's placed into soil and water is poured upon it,
Thank you for your time. This is our Cradle project.